Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So today we did a look with the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. This is what the palette looks like on the inside. Beautiful. And if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Hey everybody, welcome back. We are going to do a look with the Huda Beauty. This is the Emerald Obsessions palette. I've been dying for this thing. Waiting. And because I just love green. It's my thing. So, I don't know what look I'm going to come up with today. I want to kind of put my hands in all of this and go to town, but I may have to do a couple looks with it because I see a couple looks with the palette. My eyes are staying red because we've been doing red looks. Alright, so I'm just going to prime my eyes a little bit. And I know I've got a little bit of red on my face though, but I think it's just stained from I've had 2 looks with red so far today. Today, I've got eye primer everywhere. Everywhere. Oh, there's an eyelash. Make a wish. Okay, so I'm not sure. I don't even know where to start. I'm going to start with setting this down a little bit so we don't get any skipping when we apply the eyeshadow. No skipping. So, yeah, I think I'm going to start with this shade, this light green right here, and I'm going to put that in my transition. Because it just looks so pretty. Pretty. Oh, yeah. It reminds me of mint chocolate chip ice cream. And when I think of mint chocolate chip ice cream, the only one I can, like, my mind goes straight to Baskin Robbins. I don't know why. Like, I know that there's better stuff out there now than Baskin Robbins, but that was my thing as a kid. My mom would would let us have ice cream when we went to go shopping or, whatever. She would let us have some ice cream. So I'm going to go into my crease with this. Oh, I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. I'm so glad. Don't look at them. They're horrible. I don't know what color to paint them though. I have to do a look. I'm not sure what color to paint them. Alright. So we're just going in with that green in our crease. Blending that up into the transition. We're going to get dark, deep, mysterious. So I'm going to put this shade right here in the center, like on the outer part of my eye, and then we're going to go back and we're going to do something else. I'm using a brush. And I may have to wet. I'm just wetting it because I really want it to pop, you know? Not because I can't live without it wet, but I just want it to pop. Oh, it's fabulous. That's freaking fabulous. My poor little eyeballs are shot. Yes. Green. Come to mama. Just fizzling out a little bit. One of my eyes, and I think it's this left one, just doesn't hold the color as well as the other eye. Yes. Then I think I'm gonna go in on my eye with a light. So I'm gonna go in with this green right here. It's a little bit more shimmery. More like a topper, it looks like, but we're gonna do our thing with it. I'm gonna look like a Christmas tree by the time it's done, but I don't care, I love it. Probably change my lip out. We'll try 2 lips. We'll leave the red on and see how that looks, but then we'll try another lip. I actually have green lipstick, but we're not going to do that. I might just put a gloss on. Gloss is probably good for something like this. We don't want to distract from our eye look. Alright, so just to add some dimension to the outer part of the eye, I am going to go in with like this olive, dark olive green, and see if I can get some depth on the outer part up into the inner. Yeah. This palette. Gina, get it, girl. My friend Gina loves green as much as I love green, and I love her for it. I'm gonna have to do a very colorful look at some point today because I want to do something that my friends here on YouTube or my subbies inspire me to do. So I might do a look from Miss Erica. Although that one look I did reminded me a lot of her. And then I want to do something for Liz. Alright. I'm just going into that same light green and not wetting my brush, but just putting a little bit in the inner corner. My goodness. Face. Alright. So we are going to put some more mascara on. And I think my mascara is going to go into the garbage after this. After today's filming. I have a funny color on my nose. Alright. My belly is growling. Thinking in my head of what I need to do today. Alright guys, so this is the look I got using the Emerald Obsessions palette from Juvia's, I'm sorry, not Juvia's Place, Huda Beauty. That's what it looks like on the inside. I want to try another lip though. So we're going to take this red lip off and pray it doesn't go all over our face like it just did. Red stains my lips something terrible. It's just terrible what it does. That is not going to work, Susan. Nice try, though. Nope. I don't want that. I'm going to use this little color. Pop. A more peachy nude shade with it. Thought it smelled funny. Alright everybody, so thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Mwah.